Hello everybody, Tyrese Morris here. Today I will sing Jesus the Best Friend by using my cartoon voice acting of Stickman's friends along with my normal voice singing the song. So here we go. Let Stickman's friends tell you the words, folks. Here to words, Stickman. If anyone shall ever my life story. Tell me about gosh, yes, man. For whatever reason. Oh, gosh. Tell her, Mindy. Where might be? I'm Wendy. That's my verse to think about. Oh, you're there. Yeah, here we go, pal. When you guys is the best thing. Oh, gosh. Jesus is the best. That's what he's thinking, man. Yes, he is. Pal. Oh, gosh. It's the best thing. Roof, 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 roof. Yeah, good job, sneeze, mother dog. Roof, roof, roof. Yes, Spot. Anyway. Sure, alright. That's my story. Here we go, folks. For whatever reason. There might be. To a bow. Gosh. Oh, you be there. Gosh. A pain glory. Gosh. Take away, Spot the dog. Woof, woof, woof. Take away, Tubby. Jesus is the bastard. Take a Penny. Jesus is the bastard, Toby. Besides, Penny, that ever happens. It's the best friend. Evil to man. Whatever happens to me. Oh, no, you don't, evil man. Take that, you man. Good job, everybody, for singing the song. Of course. Thank you, Stickman. You are pitiful, Stickman.